Free India.
Chief Minister Conrad K. Sangma has said the state government's decision to withdraw the general consent to the Central Bureau of Investigation for investigation was a normal procedure. Most states have done it and have taken such decisions, and we are in line with that. So anybody who wants to come in has to take consent from the state, that's all. Meghalaya has become the 9th state to withdraw the general consent to the CBI for investigation.
Most states have done it, and it's not that it is done now. It's been, in fact, the decision was made quite a long time back. So it's maybe, I think, almost, I can't remember exactly the date, but it has been done very, very long time back. So therefore, it's a normal thing where the state's aspect is there, and there's a decision that we take, and a lot of states have taken it. So it's in line with that anybody who wants to come in here has to take consent from the state. So that's all. It's a normal procedure. There's nothing off the thing about it. It's a normal procedure.
Meghalaya Pradesh Congress Committee Chief Vincent